Now this is one of the little tricks that I've got. When it comes to looking at a product that's been released, the sales page can often be a little bit too salesy, can't it? You know, big headline claiming that you're going to become super rich with a couple of clicks in a couple of seconds, and you don't even know how you're going to do that. It can be a blind kind of sales page where they don't actually reveal the strategies and the systems, and all of that just gets on your nerves a little bit. So what I like to do is take a look at the JV page and the JV video and any information that I can extract for you guys out of that. And there's something here that I just want to share with you that I think is definitely worth looking at, right? Now, I don't know if you'll be able to hear this perfectly, so I'll try to edit it afterwards. If you can't hear it perfectly, I won't know until I play it back. But this is the bit that got me.
He's recently used this on multiple different launches. On Cyril's Articleized launch, he did over 2,000 in sales. On Todd's Oh So Real launch, he did over 7,000 in sales. On Firas's Clipmates AI launch, he did 7,000 in sales. On Abby's AI Sellers launch, he did almost 1,500 in sales. And then on Adrian's XBesh launch, he did 6,400, among others.
What we've got here is, this is Mike from Maine, who's actually not from Maine, but that's his handle, right? That's his brand. And he's business partners with Brett, okay? Brett Ritecki. And Brett has been using his system to generate sales on affiliate launches, and these are the sales that he's done. $2,120 on Cyril's launch, $7,270 on Todd's launch, $7,000 on Firas's launch, $1,242 on Abby's launch, and $6,400 on Adrian's launch. Now, they're big numbers, right? They are big numbers. They're not just the kind of numbers that most people would do, like even top affiliate marketers would do. You know, they're even big. I'm not saying that I'm anything special, right? But they're even big compared to some of the promos that I do. And he's doing that with what I've got for you today, which is the JVZToolBox. This JVZToolBox is encompassing a lot of things, but what it's doing is it's revealing, so you've got training revealing how Brett's been able to do that using his software that's included in it. Okay, so you get the software as well. So you're going to get step-by-step affiliate marketing where they walk you through exactly how to start earning commissions straight away, including how to find offers, how to get approved, how to set up promos, and how to turn that into a consistent income. Now, there's also a built-in software suite within the members area, and you get 4 powerful tools there. You've got the AI video generator to create faceless YouTube videos in minutes. So straight away, if you don't want to put your face on camera, you're covered in this, all right? You've got the AI bonus page builder, and that's really crucial, right? A bonus page builder, I think, is one of the elements that you need to become a successful affiliate, unless you build your own, all right? So I build my own, but I've been building websites since before Google. You know, even though obviously I don't look that old, how could I possibly have been doing that? But if you get this, you've got an AI bonus page builder that will enable you to build high converting bonus pages. All right, really crucial. That acts as your bridge page. So when somebody comes through, they don't go straight to the sales page. They come via your bridge page where you can sell them your bonuses. All right, that makes a big difference. You get the autoresponder free email tool, and you get the list builder. So the autoresponder free email tool is going to enable you to follow up with your buyers without needing a list. And then the list builder automatically collects leads from your promos, which again is like pretty amazing because we don't normally get the ability to do that. You've got a proven traffic system, so you're going to learn how to post short videos using their formula. No SEO, no ads, no social media followings required, just 20 or 30 minutes per day there. Done for you bonuses if you get the bundle. Now look, this is the thing I've got to tell you, right? The bundle. The bundle is the one that you've got to get, in my opinion. Okay, because look, so if you get the standard JVZToolBox, you're going to get the software and core training, limited bonus pages and videos. That's $67, all right? But if you get the everything included bundle, you're going to get everything that's in the standard JVZToolBox, plus unlimited bonus pages and videos. That's worth $1,128 a year. Unbranded videos, unbranded bonus pages, done for you bonuses provided. 4 weeks of live coaching worth $397. You get access to the Winners Circle group, that's worth $497. Nothing else to buy, you save over $1,128, And that's $497, but you can use my coupon code, which is SAVE200, and you get it for just $297. Now, when I mailed this out, people snapped this up straight away. So, and it's not surprising because I know that this is incredible value. But yeah, that's the way to go. As far as I'm concerned, is go for the bundle. For just $297, you get all of that. All right, it's massive, massive value. So you don't need a website. You don't need an email list. You don't need a camera. You don't need any tech skills, and you don't need any experience to get started with this. So this is perfect for complete beginners. If you've never made a penny online before, then you've literally got everything here because you've got the training, you've got the system, and you've got the software to produce everything that you need to do it, okay? You just need to follow their system, use their tools, and get traffic and sales. It's designed to work even if you're starting from zero. Now, if you pick this up through me, you're also going to get all thumbs, shorts 2, an instant ebook as bonuses from me, plus my mega bonus bundle. If you get the bundle, so if you get the bundle offer, take that $200 off, spend $297. I'm also going to give you one of my high ticket training programs that I sell at $697 completely free of charge. All right. So that makes that a complete and utter no brainer. Now, just to say as well, that bundle, right, I'm just looking through the JV launch doc at the moment, and they've said the price for the bundle is $497. There's a $200 discount, $200 off discount that you can use if you use my coupon code, but they're removing the bundle at the end of the launch. And they've said here, this is real scarcity, so use it. So I'm using it, all right? They are removing the bundle. So, and this is a short launch as well. So you need to grab that bundle and take advantage of this so you can get started straight away. That bundle is going to go, and then you're going to kick yourself, all right? Now, if you click the link below this video, you'll be able to go through using my affiliate link, so you make sure that you get my bonuses. If you do pick up that bundle, then you're going to get my special $697 bonus as well as a lot of other bonuses that I'm compiling for you, and I'm going to put together something that's really tasty, so you've got, you know, lots and lots of value there. But when you go through, you'll see that there's a webinar replay. Now, I would suggest that you just take a little bit of time to watch the webinar replay so you know exactly what it is you're getting here, and you can see that this is going to be a right fit for you. I'm absolutely convinced of that. But at least you'll know, because you've got. Oh, look, if you don't want to sit through the webinar and you've seen enough from what I've told you here today, then just go ahead and grab it. You know, you do need to grab it sooner rather than later, because as I said, it is a short launch, and they are taking away that bundle. And you've got that discount code as well at the moment. So everything's in your favor right now. But when you do go through, the sales video is currently the webinar replay. If that's changed, maybe if you click through and it's just a sales video, then that's beyond my control. That's, you know, the vendors have decided to do that. But as at the time of recording, it is a webinar replay. And I would suggest that you take a look at that. Just go through, watch the webinar, grab this through my link, and let's make some money. As always, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And in the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. You take care.